Hi guys, welcome to the Money Breeder.
Today we are going to discuss about the market analysis, where we do the quantitative analysis about the markets and sectors, and also we will try to find out some bullish stocks where we can find the opportunities. Before going into the details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please read standard disclaimer carefully. Okay, coming to the complete market analysis. Let us start first quantitative analysis, where we can talk about only the numbers with the maths. Okay, so first let me go to the sectors. When we study the sectors, all these sectors I track. Okay, what happening in these sectors is, if we see, right, last Friday, the all the market, okay, all the market looks like bearish. Why it is bearish? There are only four sectors which are having the advances, that means closed in the mild bullish. Remaining all 17 sectors closed in the negative. So that means only last 1 week, let me go to the, okay, last 1 week, that is from the 14th. Okay, from the 14th of June, last 1 week, what are the sectors are bullish? Okay, let me find out. The top sectors are private banks, which includes Bank Nifty indirectly, then financial services, then service sector, IT, and metal. Reality is mild bullish and Nifty is very mild bullish. Okay, only these are the sectors traded in the green in last 1 week. That means there is a big profit booking is going on in remaining sectors, where the auto sector corrected 2.5 percentage, FMCG also corrected 2.5 percentage, pharma also corrected, PSC, MNC, consumption, all these sectors had the correction in the market. So all these sectors are part of Nifty. Finally, Nifty also, these many sectors are bearish and these many sectors are bullish. Because of this, total got balanced, and which resulted Nifty to stay in the sideways. That means in the banking sector, right? In the banking sector, which is went up by 4 percentage, which is having 30% weightage in the Nifty 50. So because of this banking sector, whole Nifty last week held by the HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Axis Kotak Bank. These four banks, right, private sector banks, holding the Nifty to stop correction. Okay, coming to the other sectors, right? Any buying opportunities in this sector? If we see, there are a couple of things which we need to notice. Okay, in this bearish sector, right, these are the sectors we are having the some mild bullishness and also positive side it is trading. So these sectors, service sector and financial sector. Let's go to the service sector. Okay, what any stocks in the service sector? I have already selected few stocks. Just for your reference, I'm going to show you something in this sector. Okay, these are the, in the service sector, all these are the stocks little bit bullish. Okay, ICICI Bank, Axis, Zomato, HDFC Bank. Again, these are the service stocks where Wipro is the Infi, IT. All these IT stocks are part of the services. Okay, coming to the metal sector. Okay, coming to the sector, all these sectors, right? I see this is the top gainer, APL Apollo, top gainer, which is having some good momentum. Let us discuss further. After that, if we go to the CPSC sector, this is also traded in the green. Okay, bullish. It is having the bullishness, traded in the green. Here, OIL looking bullish to me. We are going to discuss about this OIL. Okay, this is the thing. This is the qualitative this is the quantitative analysis. Okay, quantitative analysis says the numbers which are telling us the Nifty having the bearish sentiment with respect to the sectors which are part of Nifty index, where 30% of the weightage given to the bank stocks, and the remaining stocks are mild bullish, and the rest of the stocks are in the bearish sentiment. Okay, now let us analyze the sentiment, market sentiment, where the people, actual institutions investing. Okay, how the net flows in the market from last couple of days. If we see last couple of days, right, last 5 days, okay, FIIs are continuously buying. They bought 8,000, okay, 10,000, 12,000, around 13,000 crores they have invested in the market, from where 1700, which is around 2,000 crore, taken out. That means still 11,000 rupees, okay, 11,000 crores last week went inside the market. Coming to the DIAs, they too invested in the market, okay, 7,000, around 2,000, 9,000 they invested, and this 1,000, around 10,000. Total approximately it went like 20,000 crores went into the market. Okay, the market in the sense is not for the Nifty. There could be so many sectors where the money going into. Okay, those sectors let us find out one by one later point of time, later point of in this video, part of this video. Okay, as per the analysis, right, and also as per the market breadth. Okay, PSU banks are the worst performing sector. Okay, these are the sectors, little bit Nifty Metal, CPSE, Media and IT. Okay, these are the four sectors looking very good. Let us find out any stocks from the metal, CPSE, Media and IT. IT, I didn't see any bullish stocks as per my requirement, but I do see CPSE and metal sector few stocks. Okay, let us going to discuss later part of time. Okay, coming to the price action analysis on the Nifty. Okay, let me take to the Nifty. Before going into the price action analysis, let me tell you one small concept. Here the concept is something like this. Okay, let me take one candle. This is the candle which was the green candle. Okay, then another candle which is the red candle. Okay, when this total green candle engulfed by the red candle, that means bearish engulfing. Okay, this is called bearish engulfing, right? So in the Nifty, if we go to the Nifty 50 stocks, these are the Nifty 50 stocks on the daily time frame or even weekly time frame. If we go to the Nifty 50 stocks on the weekly time frame, there are many stocks. Okay, Ultratech Cement, which is breakout and coming for the retest, which is very good. Okay, we can bet on this stock. Okay, apart from this stock, many of the stock, as I mentioned, this is the green candle engulfed by the red candle, which is the bearish side. Okay, if you take many of the stocks are like that. Green candle going to engulfed by the red candle, green candle engulfed by the red candle. Okay, it is retracement. Green candle is engulfed by the red candle. Okay, you see majority of the stocks, whatever the stocks bullish so far, all the stocks is forming like green candles are engulfed by the red candle, which tells there is a negative sentiment in the market. Okay, that means total number of stocks out of Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, see the advances are 17 only, the declines are 33. That means 1:2. Okay, the declines are more than advances, which also tells us the bearish sentiment in the market. Okay, overall Nifty seems little bit bearish. It is having the bearish sentiment with respect to the data which is telling to us. And also if we see the sectors, right, the Nifty 50, okay, last couple of days it is trading in the very narrow range. It is trading in the very narrow range. Okay, coming to the Nifty chart here, to prove that, right, Nifty is in the bearish sentiment. Nifty 50 indices, okay, go to the some lower time frame. In a higher time frame we cannot figure out because this is the index, right? There could be a both the sides stocks, bullish side and bearish side. Let's go to the some lower time frame. As I told, right, red, some small reversal, and it is failed to make the next high. Okay, now let us use some price action techniques to analyze the market. What is the price action techniques? Usually we analyze is, okay, what is the, if any stocks or any index making the higher highs and higher lows, we can say this is the bullish, right? So now after making the couple of higher highs, higher highs, next high, this is the next high. Here it failed to make the next high. Instead making the next high, what it did was, this is the low, previous low, breakdown, downside, retested back and going down, where it created the bearish engulfing. Okay, it is trying to create the bearish engulfing, where this is the previous low. Maybe instead making the higher highs, what it is doing, it started making the lower highs. Okay, which indicates there is a technically and price action. With respect to the price action, Nifty started making the lower highs in the lower time frame, where we are clearly seeing breakdown and retested back, and all this green eliminated by the red. It may break down again, come back, goes down, we are not sure, we have to see the further. By doing this exercise, right, what we are trying to conclude here is Nifty is trying to entering into the bearish sentiment. So we need to follow the trend with respect to that, right? We need to figure out only the, we need to trade only in negative side, where we can create some call option selling, some bear call spread or bear put spread we can create, and we can trade, we can figure out opportunities in the Nifty. That is what Nifty analysis. Coming to the sector, with respect to the quantitative analysis, where the money, large money went inside, let's analyze quickly for the few sectors. Sector analysis let us do, where that money went and what happening in the market. Okay, in the lower time frame, if we see the media, right, Nifty media, okay, which is the one of the top performer in this month, from the last expiry, it made the high, next lower high, it started making the lower highs and lower lows. Okay, pharma also there is a in the correction mode, where, but in case of pharma, what happened, it breaks out. Let me take into the little bit more high time frame. It breaks out, coming for the retest, maybe it go back, we are not sure. When we see the price action, this is the curve, it is handle it from, it may break down or go up, we are not sure. Okay, so I think the pharma is going to retrace back to the positive. That is what I am hoping. Coming to the MNC, this is also, see, this was the all-time high breakout, some retracement is coming. Metal sector, is failed to break out. See the metal sector, all other sectors went up, all-time high breakout, but metal sector still it is trading underperforming. If we see the Nifty, Nifty FMCG, okay, this is the interesting pattern. First it goes up, comes back to the same level, then it comes back. Usually when any sector is in the sideways, right, it may form like this, right? So I am expecting there is a big breakout, right? In the FMCG sector, there is a big breakout. Now, maybe it was underperformer from longer time. So people who ever invested in this sector afraid and they trying to book the profits during this move. So now once it reaches to this point, right? This is the zone. Okay, I am expecting to bounce back. So we can look the opportunities in the FMCG sector as well. Okay, auto sector, it is very bearish. Okay, it is formed the head and shoulder format. Okay, this is the one, this is the one in the lower time frame already break out, retest back, it may fall till this point. Okay, auto sector, look the sell side opportunities. Okay, this is also commodities like metal sector failed to, it is still struggling to make the next high. PSU banks are the worst hit, it is far away from the previous high. Okay, worst sector, worst hit in this month. Okay, same like consumption, which includes FMCG, auto all together, which includes same like auto, it follows the auto. This is also failed to make. This is the sector people had big expectations about the elections. After the election, the primary focus may shift into the infra, that was the expectation, but now we have to see what is going to happen. The Nifty IT, this is also looking good. We have to see the momentum is not gaining. So here the money went in. Okay, here this is the Nifty, money went in. Now there is a profit booking. Mid cap, if we see, right, this is the mid cap, money went inside the mid cap. IT, it went up, but it is not able to sustain in the higher side. Okay, this is this energy sector, heavy profit booking, money is taking out from this sector, it seems. Okay, the service sector where the money nicely went in, this indicates where is the buying is happening in this. So we can also bet in these sectors. Okay, these sectors are going to outperform. Maybe the government is giving the preference for this sector, we are not sure. Okay, after running so much breakout, it is coming for the retracement. The bank Nifty, which is also the money went inside the bank Nifty nicely. Okay, this CPSE sector, which is the underperformer. Okay, no need to go. This is the small cap sector, went very nicely, it is forming some retracement. Okay, some profit booking is coming. Okay, private banks, this is the sector where lot of heavy money went inside. CPSE, okay, this is also struggling sector this month. Reality is the sector where heavy move we observed in this sector. So overall in this month, few sectors went up. Okay, whatever the sector went up hugely, which are under correction now. Okay, so which makes the Nifty to correct a little bit downside. When we compare other sector versus the Nifty, where the financials, okay, top index heavyweights, financials and Reliance, these stocks are having little positive momentum, which are having the 40% weightage. That is the reason Nifty traded in the sideways for many days. If we see the Nifty move, right, okay, this is 400, 23,400 to 650. See, this is the where 650, 23,650. This is 400 in the 250 point range, right? 1 2 3 whole week it traded in the 250 points range only. Okay, 250 points range only. Now it reached to the stage where if this breaks out, it is going to fall till it is going to retest the again to the 23,200 to 23,000 around. Okay, let's wait and watch next week, which is the final week of the June month expiry. So by doing this entire sector analysis and Nifty analysis, what we got the conclusion about the Nifty is there is a little bearish sentiment in the market, so which may lead market to correct up to some retracement or some profit booking. Okay, the time has to tell us. Coming to the bullish sectors where we can find the opportunities. The opportunities what I figure out was, okay, this is the granules. If we go to the higher time frame, the chart, technically this is the technical analysis chart. Okay, this is looking very good structure, breakout retested. With respect to the pharma sector also, CNX Pharma, I mentioned already, which is also breakout and retested, may reverse back. So this is the early stock which is reacting nicely. So we can look the some buying opportunity by having the previous low as a stop loss. This is the entry. Okay, the target which we can expect, this is the target. OIL. Okay, if we see the OIL, after long run up, it took some pause, some consolidation or profit booking. Again, it started moving up. Okay, this is also technically one interesting stock which we can look for the opportunity. Coming to this stock, okay, it had very nice move, then retraced back. This is where the breakout, right? Breakout, retested back. Now it is coming back. Coming into this stage, it retraced back and it is looking, if this breaks out, okay, this is not the right away go and invest in this stock, but it looks like a some watch list candidate. PVR, which is very good. If we see, right, the PVR, okay, it is coming from the bottom where the sector, entire sector, right, the service sector, the media sector, which is very bullish. Last month entire money went into this sector. This is also coming from the bottom. It is underperformer from many days. Okay, maybe some GST is going to reduce in this entertainment sector. That is where this stock and other stock like Delta Corp. Okay, this kind of stocks started moving up. Okay, we can look some opportunity in the stock. Okay, PVR, granules, OIL are the top stocks we can look for the next week. Okay, that's all, friends. I am hoping that whatever the analysis, the quantitative analysis and the price action analysis I have done here may give you some value addition. Okay, if you also feel the same thing, please like my video, subscribe for my channel, share with your friends. Thank you so much.